Hello, my name is Lauren Snyder, and for the next few days, I'm going to be your Among Us teacher. I'm really excited and looking forward to the next few days together. I made this video for you, and for those that maybe are not as familiar with Among Us, or maybe you haven't played in a private room before, if you watch this video, it's going to show you how to sign in, get started, where you put the code whenever we start to play, all of that stuff. I would love it if you take just maybe 5 minutes to watch this and familiarize yourself with the game. Now, if you haven't downloaded it yet, there's a lot of different ways to do that. If you're planning on playing on a PC, you can download it from Steam. If you're going to play it on, say, an iPhone, you can go to the App Store and they have two different options. One is a free option that includes ads, the other is a paid option. It's about $5 and you can download it to your iPhone. Your other option, if you have an Android device, you can go to the Google Play Store, I believe, and it's in there. So whatever. Oh, and the other one, I always forget the Switch. If you have a Switch, you can also download it from the Nintendo Store. So make sure you have that downloaded and ready to go. During class, you're going to use that device to play. You're also going to need another device that you can use to be on Zoom. So watch this video. You're going to see me use a code during the video. The first one is a fake code. It's to show you what happens when you enter the wrong code. The next one is a code that was real the day that I made the video, but if you try to use it right now, it's not a code that you can use to play. At least you won't be joining my room if you do. I will give you the code each day at the beginning of class. All right, that's all for now. I hope you'll watch just a few more minutes, and then I will see you very soon. Bye! Okay, here we are on the main page of Among Us. From here, you want to go up to account to sign in. Now, you might already be signed in, but if you're not, you might have to play as a guest or sign up and sign in, and it'll ask for your age and all of that. If you have the option to change your name, you can do that here. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to want to play as a guest so that you can join the game. But if you play as a guest, you won't be able to change your name. Next, you're going to go to online. Click on the online button and go down to private where it says enter code. When you click on that, I'm gonna put in a fake code here just so you can see. If I put in the wrong code or a fake code, it'll tell you can't find the game. So I'm gonna close out of that. And now I'm gonna put in a code that's real, that I made a real game for. When I type that in and click, it'll take me to the game. From here, you can walk over to that laptop and click on customize, and you can customize your hat, your pet, your skins, all of it. And that's all you need to do. You're ready to play.